What's good, guys? What's good? Let me know if you guys can hear me. You guys in the chat? You guys in the chat? So today we're going to be talking about the first IDO that is going to be happening for, well, the third IDO that's going to be happening for Poolz. And it's basically going to be on, it's a Binance Smart Chain IDO that's going to be happening on Poolz, right? And then we're going to look at Super Farm for a little bit. What's good? What's good, Costas? What's good, Prime Time? So let's get into it. The markets was bad today. I'm not gonna lie. Went under 48. That kind of hurt. A lot of my portfolio went down. But I got diamond hands. And if the portfolio basically, well, if I see these prices by like Friday, I'll be adding to the stack a little bit more. What's good, Immortal? How you doing? Yeah. So, like I said, as you guys can see, Poolz is doing their third IDO now, which is basically like it looks cool. Like they're doing an IDO of Hapi, which is basically going to be a Binance Smart Chain token, but it's going to be launched on Poolz. So it's like connected to Ethereum also. So that's kind of interesting, right? Basically, we're going to have to look at this. I just don't like the fact that these Binance Smart Chain tokens don't have a team. Like their teams are anonymous, and I don't like that. What's good, Crypto Tiger? You guys put your questions in the thing. What's good, Isaiah? But yeah, see, as you guys can see there, let's go on to their website. Their website as of right now says I am happy. The HAI round is closed now. And this is basically all that they have on their website. Hapi on-chain cybersecurity protocol. It's a cross-chain blockchain solution, suits most popular blockchains, Ethereum, VeChain, Polkadot. The thing about it is that VeChain is a blockchain, but there's not much building on the VeChain blockchain as of right now. I think there's only like a few tokens I remember. I remember the gaming token. I forgot the name of it, Player. And I think they also have another one. That's the only ones I know about VeChain, but what it wants to do, we do need it, but I'm just still very iffy on it because, like I said, there's no team behind it that we can actually look into, but the use case is very needed. Right, so you guys, new security standard for blockchain industry, DEX lending protocol, derivatives, and other DeFi, all of them will use Hapi. And this is like the first hacking project. If you guys know about hacking, it's the first hacking project, right? So we're going to look at the Medium article after we finish this last part right here. Guard migrates DEX aggregator, DeFi platforms, and their users from the financial and reputational risk. So that's basically it. And then they got their logo here. Who else? Let me check the comments before I move on. Just check the comments here. Okay. I'm pretty sure more people are coming in. This might not even been an opportune time to live stream, but I wanted to live stream this instead of making the whole video because I dropped a video for today on Quickswap. If you guys didn't know, Quickswap just had an update on basically what they're going to be doing. They're going to be building out on Akala's network and Plasm network. So that's going to make their DEX a lot better. It's going to be interesting to see how their DEX plays out. But yeah, I'm waiting for more updates from the team, and I will be keeping you guys updated with that. I already made a video for you guys that don't know. And let's go. Let's go back to the Medium article here. So Hapi, you guys, this is the introduction. Hapi is a product entering the Hacking Foundation, a leading security consulting company specializing in blockchain security. Hapi is a cross-chain smart contract embedded into DeFi products, allowing them to reach higher security levels. The organization of the NDAO system delivers SaaS in the DeFi environment that prevents hack attempts. Anthony, what's my take on Injective protocol? Injective is pretty good. I know there's some other YouTubers that talk about it, but I haven't really invested in it myself. But I definitely have it on the radar. Right. So basically, Hapi also works for decentralized exchanges, not just centralized exchanges like Coinbase and Binance, but they also work for Uniswap, SushiSwap, and other DEXs that they're going to be doing. So by using Hapi smart contracts in Oracle, they gain the possibility to reject requests from suspicious address to prevent money laundering and stop hackers dead in their tracks. And then what else? So as you guys can see, it's a blockchain solution, cross blockchain solution. Suits all the popular blockchains, Ethereum, VeChain, and Polka. Now, the issue with Hapi right now is that are these blockchains really going to be using it, though? That's the only thing that comes up. And I already said, I don't like the fact that the team is anonymous. So, but I guess since they're like in the Hacking Foundation, could be reputable, but we have to continue on with it, really. So like you guys can see, Hapi is the first project to be launched by the Hacking Foundation, Foundation. And it's an ERC token right now. And it should be on a Binance Smart Chain also. So I guess we could get it on Ethereum's blockchain and Binance Smart Chain. Next month, Crypto Tiger, next month, VeChain will launch the 2.0 version. DEX, DeFi apps, you think it can have the same effect as Binance Smart Chain and Pump? Yo, VeChain has a lot of fans. I used to be a big VeChain head, I was collecting it at below a penny, and I just flipped it once it got to like 2 cents to like other coins and stuff. It has such a high market cap that I just wanted to get into more lower caps. But VeChain has a big community behind it, so if they build out their blockchain and have a DEX and a DeFi sector for their community, for their blockchain, I do believe it's going to do well. It's going to definitely do well. Let's keep scrolling down. This is basically their total supply is 1 million. It's a very low supply coin, but it actually is inflationary. So the token supply would increase over time, and this is how basically their things is for them. As you guys can see, it's just 1 million supply. So that's pretty much really it for Hapi. I'm kind of interested in it. Well, for the token supply, the sale was about 480, so just under 500,000 Hapi are being sold. And that's going to be pretty cool. I think it's going to pump. I definitely do think it's going to pump because it's coming out in an opportune time where Binance Smart Chain is getting a lot of hype. So essentially, it's going to definitely pump, especially if it's going to be on a Binance Smart Chain Binance Smart Chain. And you could get it on like PancakeSwap and stuff like that with lower gas fees. I think it's going to pump. A lot more people will get their hands on it. Let's look at PancakeSwap right now, because everything is essentially down today. PancakeSwap is down 19%. 19%. I think we definitely did need this correction. SakeSwap. I don't know nothing about SakeSwap, but I did see something where they kind of like partnered with let me see. I was just on Twitter. Give me a second. I'm gonna pull it up for you. Isaiah, Hacking hasn't released any other projects. This is the first project they will be releasing. I think I had favored something for Just No Vlogs. If it's like that, I might really have to get it. But where is it at? There you go. This is what I had seen. As you guys can see, I already had favorited it. Once I seen that they was like doing some kind of partnership with the Polka ecosystem and Bifrost has yet to come out, but they was doing some like where you got to stake your V ETH to earn some Bifrost. It was a little too complicated for me to do it, so I didn't even want to try it. But for those that know how to like do all that stuff, Bifrost was doing that. Basically, they're partnering with the Polkadot ecosystem for Bifrost, and you could farm. You basically could farm V ETH. Buy your bags now. Box mining is following them. I don't be following everything that box mining do, but I don't like these exchange stuff. But are they on CoinGecko right now? Let me see, Sake. Oh, they are on CoinGecko. Ooh, hold up. Just vlogs. I might take a little shot at this. $4 million market cap. Just the fact that they really partnered with Polka Bifrost is something that very much interests me. They're going to be listed on Binance soon. So where can you get it then? Oh, you could get it on NFTx, and then you could get it on Uniswap. Let me see. What else are they going to be offering? What else are they going to be offering? Just vlogs, like that makes them a little bit more different. They got NFTs, they got farms, you got stakes. Great to catch you live. Thanks, man. Thanks, Eli. This was just going to be a short live, to be honest with you. The longer live will be on Sunday, where I go over everything. I already got the plans for Sunday. We're going to be talking about all the Polka starter IDOs. And today I was actually going to talk about Super Farm, because I seen some FUD on Super Farm, but it really did not even affect it one bit. It's not really affecting Super Farm, the little FUD. It's even still going up. I know it's like something about Elio Trades like having a different project where he was like working on, and I guess pulled the rug. I guess didn't make no sense, but I just seen it in a Telegram group, and I was watching it closely to see how people react to it, and no one really cares, and people are just buying it and holding it. So I'm looking for a good 3x on this right here, and just take out my initials and go into something else, because I'm looking forward to not just NFTs. Sake will deal with synthetics as well. Okay, that's going to give them a little bit of utility. It's giving them more utility. So I may drop a little some on Sake just to see if I could flip it, go for a quick flip. At this point in time, I'm really trying to I'm not trying to hold too many projects. I just want to hold my main ones, but I do want to flip more money, I guess you could say, and just build more fiat to get into other tokens. Because what my plan is now, I can actually tell you guys what my plan is, because this is, you guys already know, I'm gonna be taking profits from a lot of tokens, right? I'm gonna be taking profits into a lot of tokens and mainly adding them to Kusama, because Kusama's on the road to $1,000. And I do have a lot of Kusama, but I just want to take my profits into there because I do know it's more safe, and I still got some upside with that, the money. Just no vlogs. What else tokens are you investing in the DAI ecosystem? Because I got a bunch. Give me a second. Sorry, guys. Just reading some more comments. Any? Nope, nothing. But yeah, that's my plan on moving forward from now on. Um, just rolling some of my profits into Kusama until basically Parachains go live, because after, I don't know if just $1,000 price target for Kusama is just viable. Like, I think not viable, but I think that's just a low ball. I think it's going to go way higher. Could even do 2,000. It could go to 2,000, 1,500, 2,000. Because these Parachains are going to definitely take a lot of these, a lot of this out of circulation. And a lot of people, I see a lot of people are just not selling their Kusama, but I'm gonna try to, stack up on them as I go. But guys, let me know what you guys think about Poolz third IDO. Let me know what you guys think. Are you guys looking to invest in it? Because it does have good utility. It's just like the team. I need to know what the team is, but I know it's behind Hacking, which is a reputable source. So we're gonna have to do our due diligence on that. Kusama indeed seems really strong at the moment. I bought Poolz at these prices, and I plan on flipping that. Also brought Unistake. So yeah, cool. Kusama, I don't think it really didn't get hit by this dip at all. To be honest with you, this is one of the most, it's holding strong right now. It's holding my portfolio strong. I thought with the dip, it's going to at least come back down to like maybe 190, maybe, but it hasn't even dipped below 200, as you guys can see here. And it was on the road to 300 right before that. It was on the road to 300. I made a tweet. I was so happy. And then Just Vlogs, you on Fala, Darwinia, Dot Ocean, Agro, Reef. Those are all solid projects. And Post too. Those are all solid projects. We all definitely waiting for Moonbeam. I can tell you that. Add Plasm to your list if you haven't gotten. If they're still talking about the third lock drop, because I don't know what's going on with the third lock drop for Plasm, but they should be coming out soon. And how much polls do you need for the IDOs on Binance? Polls IDOs, I know you needed to hold like 250 of them or something like that. I know it was like 250. But I sold half my stack because I'm in the US, so I really can't use Polls or Polka Starter. But I just know they're saying, in order to participate, you need to stake your polls in their pool. And also, there's what else is coming out for? I forgot the name of it. Oh, you got Hopper. I just found out today that Hopper is going to be releasing on Balancer. If you guys don't know what Hopper is, I definitely, this was another token that I covered a long time ago. Plasm, you got it. Like, I'm gonna go help you out and see if they're still doing their lock drops here. If their third lock drop, because I already still have my Plasm. I'm just waiting for them to come to the market. I know someone in a Discord, B. He has a lot of Plasm. His name is Super B. How to get into this IDO if I'm on Binance Smart Chain. Right now, they haven't said exactly how you're going to get on it on the Binance side. They only just saying how to get on it on the pool side, which is side. So you need to stake your in their stake pool. As you guys can see, they working, bro. Raised 2.4 million, led by Binance Labs. They are working right now. They got a secret network bridge, sponsoring Chainlink Hackathon, partnership with Anchor, API 3, Shinden, which is their canary network for Kusama. I don't see them really talking about their third lock drop. That's the problem. Man, you can't go into their thing no more. I think they. Oh, hold on. Oh, there you go. As you guys can see, they're still waiting for their Dusty lock drop. So I guess that everyone's waiting for the update on Dusty, because I know Quickswap delayed their testnet on because Plasm is delaying, basically waiting on Substrate 3.0 for their Dusty stuff. So I guess nothing is going on yet. But yeah, I was in since the first lock drop. But just vlogs, I think I'm gonna go for the third lock drop, because a lot of people are starting to take notice on Plasm now. So I definitely want to try to get as much Plasm as I can, especially if they're going to become a pair chain. Also, that's going to be very big for their token. They're trying to integrate MetaMask for the Polkadot ecosystem, essentially. If you guys didn't see that, let me see if they still got it up here. It's a lot of scrolling. I guess it's a minute, but Eli, you gotta wait for them to announce their third lock drop, their Dusty lock drop. We just looked at it. You're essentially going to have to lock up if you got any dot. What they did essentially first, what they did in the beginning is you had to lock your Ethereum for a certain amount of time, like 30 days to 2 months to a year, and you would get equivalent amount of Plasm that you would lock up for Ethereum. So if you locked up $200 in Ethereum, you would get $200 in Plasm after the lock drop is over, and they will give you back your Ethereum. So essentially, you was getting the Plasm tokens for free. And I think they're going to be doing the same thing for their Dusty lock drop, which is basically where you got to lock your dot. You're going to lock your dot for a certain amount of time. So it's going to be about the same time frame for like 30 days to like maybe 60 to the max a year. And then they'll give you the same amount of Plasm equal to the amount of dot you gave them in dollar amount. Yeah, I'm still looking for this, because that MetaMask thing was big, and they partnered with Plasm Paralink. And as you guys can see, this is why I'm big on Quickswap. They retweeted it. They're working closely with Quickswap, and Quickswap is also with Akala. So Quickswap is a DEX for you guys to keep on your radar, guys. It's going to be big, probably. It's competing with a lot of DEX, but I do believe it's going to find something to stand out due to whatever Plasm innovates they were going to be using. When do you think that will happen again? Is going to be again? Essentially, they're looking to drop this quarter, so it should be soon. If not this quarter, early quarter 2. So they should be proceeding with their Dusty lock drop real soon. You got to follow them on Telegram or Twitter, and then they're definitely going to tweet it out or tell you in the Telegram. Pokedex, yeah, I had covered Pokedex. That's another token I'm waiting for. It's a lot of dexes coming to the Polkadot ecosystem. It's gonna be a lot of competition. You have what you call it? You have PolkaSwap. You're gonna have Pokedex. Then you're gonna have Quickswap, and there's one more I forget the name of. That I covered a while ago also. So it's going to essentially be like 4 dexes on the Polkadot ecosystem. We just got to find out how they're going to get their liquidity. Really, that is going to be the big issue. We already know the fact that it's going to be low. low market cap. Not low market cap, low gas fees. So that's a plus for them. Polka launch. Yeah, I'm big on Polka launch right now. That's going to be the third IDO for, not the third, essentially the fourth IDO for the Polkadot ecosystem, where you're going to have paid ignition IDO. You got Polka starter, the big dog, and out the whole thing. Then you're going to have Poolz, and then you're going to have Polka launch. Well, oh yeah, Polka launch is also having their own decks. Like it's going to have like a dex on their thing. So essentially, you have 5 dexes in the Polkadot ecosystem. Let me checking the comments here. Yeah, so I'm gonna go on for like maybe another 10 minutes here. Then I'm gonna dip out. So if you guys got any other questions, just put them in the comments. But yeah, socket swap is actually interesting. The other one that was pretty interesting so far that someone else brought up was what was the name of it? Give me 1 second. I'm gonna go ahead and look at it. Gotta look at my watch list for the name because it's actually very interesting. Over. There you go. This is another good NFT play. And then another thing that just came up across my decks was NFTx, right? These F2 pools, people are annoying. Yeah. I was watching, I forgot that YouTuber's name. He brought it up to me. I didn't know it was going to affect his stat. I was thinking about taking some profit. I did. And I'm kind of regretting it right now. But I already know the market's going to bounce back. And you get the PNG airdrop on Avalanche for Uni and Sushi holders. Hold up. Nah, what's PNG? Is it Stefan or Steven? You tell me. But yeah, I didn't get the PNG airdrop. I don't even know what that is. Yeah, this is a great, this is like a low market NFT play, but the only problem with it right now that I've seen is that it pumped up so hard. And this is another token that has been holding steady during this dump. And I don't know why it's holding steady right now. Like PSN Golan. Oh, Steven. Okay, yeah, Steven. PSN Golan. I'll look into that. But yeah, as you guys can see, it's not far off from his all-time high. It's only down 10%. That's not a lot for a low market cap coin during a dump. But this is something that you guys should check out because it's pretty cool. It's like if you guys ever played Pokemon Go, it's essentially the same. If you held Uni or Sushi December 7th, yeah, I haven't held either one of them since then. Tap my data. Stand deep. Sandeep. What is that? But you could get this on the App Store right now. And it's looking pretty good. Something I really might actually buy. Alt super cycle on the way. I do believe the super cycle will happen. We're not done at all with this bull market. It's just a little dip. Dips are meant to be brought up. We got to have diamond hands during this time. So I just showed you guys over. That's it. That's a nice one. And then NFTx is the index token for NFTs. So I'm pretty bullish on this one also, but it has a high market cap already. but very, very low very low supply. So it came out about 2 months ago at $16. All-time high was just 8 days ago at essentially $500, and it's about 50. It's about 50% down from his all-time high, which is what got me interested. Tap my data. Tap is going to be huge. It is backed by Outline. Is that Ventures Ocean? Are they on CoinGecko right now? Let's look at it. Oh, Tap my data. I have a funny name, Just 5 days ago, it was 23 cents. All-time high 68. It's about in the middle. Yeah, you gotta have godly diamond hands right now. I'm not gonna lie. I woke up this morning. The first thing I do is look at my portfolio. I see nothing but red. That's all I could do. Earn tap, crush your data, mint NFT data license, join. Where's the team? What's up, Tony? What's up? I like the fact that they have a team, but I'm gonna have to look more into this right now. There's so much tokens out there. I'm not gonna be able to invest in all of them. Some of them, if I see a bunch of hype on it, I'm looking for a flip. That's it. Joshua. Where's this now? Oh, no. Too low of a trading value for me, boy. What's going on here? Was this just listed? When was this listed? It's about 7 days ago? Essentially last week, and then it dumped all the way to the bottom. It is a decentralized exchange offering peer-to-peer lending, allows any token. Another exchange. Guys, I want to let you know that it's not going to be a lot of decentralized exchanges that's going to be competing with Uniswap and things like that. When you especially when you guys ZK swap, other swaps that are pretty big right now, and I'm pretty sure once people start to wait for Polka swap, got a lot of people waiting for it. But we'll have to see how this one goes. Let me know in the future. I hope you make money on this one though. You guys got any other tokens that you guys want me to look at? Al MC, how did I miss this? Great vids. Any thoughts on? Yeah, I like Digico. I definitely made a video on Digico for NFT play. I'm a bit new to this. There's a good portfolio or way to see. Yeah, if you're like, I use CoinGecko's like portfolio tracker. Blockfolio was just too slow for me on updating new tokens. CoinGecko has it, CoinMarketCap, but a lot of people that are in this like are into crypto heavy use CoinGecko, and they have their own portfolio that you could track there, and then they have an app on your phone that you can also use. You got Zero Chain. I heard of this before. I didn't really look into it too much. Damn, it's been around for a minute, right? Yeah, it's been around for a minute. Yeah, just vlogs. I know about Bio Finance. That's like Chico's baby, but the way Bio Finance had pumped so much data privacy and protection platform. They only got a between. So Sandeep, they had a recent partnership with a Fortune 500 client, which they will announce very soon. Well, we got to wait to see what this Fortune 500 company is. Are they based out of like India or something? What about Ocean, little bro? The center. The center, I like the center also, but mind you, I'm not as I love Ocean, and I love like just haven't been able to invest in everything. How has the center been performing? I know the center has been around for a while. It hit its all-time high 12 days ago. A Fortune 100 company. Well, it's essentially, yeah, it has a good increase from when it first came out. Definitely did. Are you made? How early did you get in? Just Vlogs. Sandeep, BitBoy covered it. Yeah, I'm pretty sure BitBoy covered a lot of tokens, man. What are your thoughts on Crow regarding the 70% token burn? I have no thoughts on it, but I know Crow is definitely going to be big because a lot of people are using it. And that's crypto.com. So I know a lot of newbies that, that are getting into it are definitely going to be going into Crow. So that token burn could definitely help out their price. 70% burn? 70 off of this? Sheesh. That could be a massive increase. Did you see that right? 70%. 70%, Eli. Sandeep, I'll keep looking at zero chain. Yeah, if it's a 70% burn on this circulating supply right now, I could definitely drive up the price a lot. Let's see how long have I been live. I'm definitely getting hungry. Oh, just vlogs you haven't? I thought you had. I thought you had invested into it. Yeah, another YouTuber said that BNT is going to do another one to one airdrop. What is BNT? Oh, Bancor? They're gonna be doing another airdrop? I didn't get the first one, or I don't think I'm gonna be quite. I'm gonna have to look into this, see if I could, qualify for the airdrop. Who doesn't like free money? Damn, they still far off from their all-time high, which was basically 2018, 50%. Yeah, Steven, when you essentially get into hold on, I just got a tweet. So it seems like what I'm seeing now. Remember, we just talked about Hopper. We just talked about this. XDAI will be supporting Hopper community presale and provide a solution for low cost and efficient token distribution for participant. So that's pretty interesting. How would XDAI? Let me pull this up for you guys. Let me pull this up for you guys here. Okay, so the Hopper community presale was the biggest token distribution on XDAI. This happened today. Oh. 1 million from 1,000 participants in 13 minutes. 2.4 from 3,000 participants in total. Pools to the moon. Yes, I'm hoping pools go up, man. What's this escrow well? I'm hoping pools go up, man. I'm hoping it does. I did take some profits. I think around $30. And then I took a little bit more profits right when they had that little situation with DeFi Insure. I wasn't really feeling it, so took a little bit of profits, but I'm holding a little bag. I try to hold as much as my IDO platforms on Polkadot. So pools need to get their act together, and hopefully this new IDO launch is gonna be pretty good. But yeah, see what else here. So it's interesting that XDAI is basically helping out with them. So Hopper is something that you guys should have on your watch. I do know that they're going to be doing on there. They're going to be going on there basically on Balancer, right? Yeah, they're going to be going on Balancer. Let's go look at it actually. It's launch phase 2. Yeah, if it's 70 billion Crow tokens, that's going to be basically burned ahead of the launch. So the hype of basically the launch and the fact that they're burning so much tokens, yeah, that price is going to increase heavy. That could be a good watch. That could be a good, quick swing play. So let's look at how we're gonna do this. This is essentially are they gonna kind of do it like Razor Network by participating in a public launch is simple. First, make sure you have DAI and any other assets supported by Balancer DAI, $1 anytime. Wednesday. Okay, so this is coming out. Oh, this is a hectic week, man. This is coming out on Wednesday. This is coming out tomorrow. R. Williams, you bought one YFI on the dip. That could be a good pickup. I can't swing on Uni because of the fees. That is true facts. So if you're gonna hold, if you're just gonna buy it, you could just hold it. I don't like the model that they do though. I don't like the way they do their little launch pool, balancer pools. I don't like that. So the starting price. It'll be 30 cents. Base amount of XDI. Expected starting price. What about Deeper Network? Launching on paid network. I like Deeper Network. I seen them a long time ago. I just never covered it. I just never actually got into it, to be honest. I seen it a long time ago. But it's good that they're finally coming out, and they're going to be coming out on Ignition. Ignition is going to be pretty big. Oh, you want? Oh, Tony, you joining the APY swap on Polka, a Polka starter? Didn't really pique my interest. They had another one, Eternity Chain, that piqued my interest. Eli, thanks, Eli. Yeah, if you get into it, I hope you make some money off of it. We already know how these IDOs are performing, making a whole bunch of money. Like essentially, Super Farm. What is it? What the Super Farm drop at? Like 2 cents. Like the ideal price was like 2 cents, and it got up to like $2.60. Like that was ridiculous. That's crazy, right? And it's still I don't know if it has 100x potential anymore because they essentially just got that off of their IDO easy. But on Sunday, we are definitely going to be talking about all the Polka starter launches for this week and comparing them. I already have it all planned out. I got the graph. We're going to be looking at the price, the IDO price when it drops. Then we're going to look at their price now. So you guys need to stay tuned for that. Also, I got into Super kind of at a bad price. I mean, either way, it's going up. What price did you get into, Tony? Because the problem was so Super. I wake up, I see it launched, man. Oh, so yeah, private. Yeah, so people made a whole bunch of money off of Super in the early rounds, Steven. But yeah. What was I about to say? Yeah, so I seen Super. Oh, you got in at $1.70. Listen, I seen Super at 87 cents, and I wanted to get into it, but I thought it was going to drop a little bit more because I had checked the gas fees, and it was like $140 just to even, buy it. And I'm like, nah, I'm not doing that. So I kind of just chilled for a little bit. I went out, came back in. I see it's still hovering around like $1 something. I'm like, I don't think it's going down anymore. If it does go down, I'm gonna just have to buy some more. And at that point in time, the gas fees was okay, like okay for these prices. So it was like I think it was like $60 for the gas fee. I just bought it. Yeah, Tony, if you didn't see, I do think Elio Trade is going to push it a lot. He has a big community, which is funny because today earlier there was a whole bunch of FUD on Super that I was seeing. I think it was coming from like Trevon James. I seen people in their Telegram talking about it, and it kind of scared me. I thought it was really going to dump because a lot of people was bringing up some other project that essentially that what the hell are you talking about? MS. What do you mean? What am I talking about? Tell me what you talking about that I'm talking about. But yeah, I seen a FUD on it in their Telegram. I thought it was gonna dump, but it didn't really dump. It's holding strong, so that just shows you how big Elio's community is. No FUD is stopping this right now. I'm holding it, seeing if I can get a nice little 3x off of it. And Steven, you got in at $1. That's a good price. That's a very good price right now. You're good. If it's all about the fundamentals, he says it is. So yeah. Especially when they start announcing more stuff. Yeah, I think that's what he's holding out for right now. I think they're going to be launching a lot, announcing a lot more stuff. But I am watching this carefully. I want to see what it's going to do because I kind of want to just get a nice little flip to something else. I'm waiting for Polka markets, Fractal. I want to get into those. I think you're going to have Eternity Chain next month. PolkaStarter is going. There's a lot of projects dropping on PolkaStarter, man. I was watching it for an hour or two, hovering around $1, but the gas fees, I couldn't accept them, especially with my low volume trades. Yeah, I understand. Man. You ordered the DPN. Looking forward to. You don't own any paid. Yeah, you should have got paid a long time ago, man. But can you mine off of the DPN? Like, you know how you do with the helium? Because, you know, helium is actually, you can mine some tokens off of their little helium thing, gain a little passive income. Yeah, I think Polka Launch would do well. I think it's going to do well. Also, you can mine off of the DPN. That's pretty good. It's a pretty good way to have passive income, especially if the prices increase over time. Flynn, check out yes. Eyes Protocol. Kylian dropping it within the next day. Yo, Jesus. Let me see this, man. Before we look at yes, I gotta look at Kylian. We've been waiting for Kylian for a very long time, man. I gotta close some of these tabs, you know. Start to kill my little. It's on Binance Smart Chain. I don't know about yes then. You gotta stop playing with me, man. I've been waiting for Kylian for a while. Kylian is supposed to be the biggest oracle in the whole Polkadot ecosystem, but they've been taking forever. I just see that they're done with their private sale. That's it, really. They haven't said anything about their public sale yet. Flynn, when did I say I don't like gains? I don't know if Kylian would be worth to buy a lot of hype around it. Things with a lot of hype, you got to understand the crypto space is all about hype right now. You got to look at who's going to be talking about it, who's going to be shilling it. If you get into it early, you can make money off of just because of the influencers. Like, look at these big influencers on Twitter, YouTube, anybody that just talks about these coins. You see them pump. Elio Trades is a perfect example. You get into a little bit of project, you know, you flip it, you could leave a moon bag. But yeah, Flynn. Yeah, I like my gains, but you know, I want to see. Like I don't see where you're talking about it. So like I like to see it on CoinGecko. I know it's pretty early, but you know I got to see it on CoinGecko. Too many rug pulls on Binance Smart Chain. But listen, if you make some gains off of it, congrats, man. It's a bull market. You gotta make all the gains you can. End of the day, if super goes to zero, that's fine. But I still think it has potential only based on it. Yeah, I definitely believe it has a lot of potential still. It's just we're just gonna have to see. Like I already told you, everything in this market right now is a lot of speculation. I put the money in that I'm willing to lose, and if I 2x 3x it, I'm taking some profits and leaving a moon bag, of course. All right, last questions. Yeah, I hope everyone did get a nice discount, and if you was able to buy the dips, buying the dips are very important right now because you can make an easy 20% on any dips you buy, especially on very important, like very fundamentally sound projects. You load it up on some ETH dot ADA. Those are very good holds, very safe. Especially dot. You already know how I feel about dot ADA. I talk about ADA is not going to deliver. I'm like, yo, you're just gonna have to wait, man. Just gonna have to wait. All right, so that's gonna be the stream for you guys. Come back this Sunday around 4:35. We're gonna have a next stream talking about all the Polka starter IDOs, recap the week, how everybody did. Let's just conversate then. But I just wanted to drop a whole nother I didn't want to drop a whole nother video. Um, I just wanted to have a little live stream talking about Poolz new IDO. And let me see, last questions that I just see. I should just have a big bag ready for the dips that flip 20% each time. Yes, you should. You definitely should. You keep fiat. You keep fiat on the side for that. And then, do you know anything about Insure Finance? They give you a guaranteed place in their IDO if you hold 10K Insure. Did not know about that, but I will be looking more into it. Unistake. I see a lot of people hyped about Unistake and could do well. What's up with Polka Market? Is it going to do well? I do believe Polka Market is going to do well. Listen, if you're able to get into Polka Market pretty early or snag a decent price, snipe a decent price, you're going to be sitting pretty well. There's a lot of people looking to shill Polka Market. And if you know how to if you know how to essentially just work out things and depending on your risk tolerance, you could definitely come out like a bandit on Polka Market. You've seen what Super Farm did. And to be honest, live streams are very chill. I like it more than the video because of the interaction. Yeah, I'm gonna be trying to do, like I told you, if every Sunday I'm going to definitely try to do a live stream, and then something pops up during the week, I'm gonna just do a live stream on that. What's a good price to buy Polka Market? Nightwolf, give me a second. Let me look at the price that is going to be listed at. I got my whole chart here. So Polka Markets is going to basically be listed at 3 cents, right? And if you're not getting in at the IDO, this thing is going to really pump, man. I don't know what price I can tell you. I could tell you when to get in. I don't even do that type of financial advice, but you just got to look for when it pumps up. And it's going to possibly do a decent 100x for people out the gate. Then you just got to find the decent floor for it and then know when to get in. When do you think you're going to get in and scale in from there? And any thoughts on Bear Data? I'm big on Bear Data, especially it's the first Oracle on the Binance chain, so I do hold a nice, decent sized bag of it. I just bought Shield. I let people in my Discord know about that. Did you announce the live stream on the Discord? I didn't check. Yeah, I did announce it. I had asked if people wanted to, a little smooth Discord for the night. But it was a cool turnout. So, all right, fam. I'm gonna check you guys on Sunday. We're gonna talk about everything like I said, and then pretty much it. Have a good week. Don't forget, have diamond hands, buy the dip. I'll check you guys later. Peace, YouTube.